Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to make special sambar. Sambar is a South Indian lentil and vegetable stew made with pigeon pea lentils, or normally known as tur dal, tamarind and a unique spice blend called sambar powder. So if you want to learn to make sambar, please watch our video. So we need oil, you can see here, and this is called pigeon peas or tur dal. This is chili powder, and then turmeric powder, some green chilies, garlic, onion, tomatoes, and tamarind, which is very important. So make sure to dip tamarind with water and fresh coriander leaves and curry leaves. So firstly we are going to wash tur dals. So make sure to wash twice. After washing 2 times, then put some water. Then add turmeric powder, chili powder according to your taste, but we are using 2 spoons. Add some green chilies onto it. And some tomatoes also. So we already washed it, and so now we are going to add tomatoes. So we are adding 2 tomatoes over here. So it depends upon your content also. Now we are adding some onion slices. And we are adding some garlic also. So you can see here we are not peeling it. Some fresh coriander leaves. Just make it into small pieces with hand only and add it. And some oil. So now we are going to close it, and we are going to cook it for almost 5 minutes. So just wait for the 2 whistles, then it will be done. So by that time we'll just mix tamarind with water. So we are done. So after 5 minutes you can see the result. So make sure to stir it properly. So smash it properly so that it can be very nice thick liquid. So you can see here we are doing. So after it becomes liquid, now we are going to add tamarind water. So we already dipped tamarind with water at the beginning. So now we are going to put only water. So make sure to do 2 times so that the taste will come more good. And we added some salt. So this is curry leaves, so we are adding curry leaves as well as fresh coriander leaves. And little bit of water. Just stir it well. And just boil it for 5 minutes around. So by the time it boils, so we are going to cut onions. Make sure to cut it like a slice. And take some garlic. Curry leaves. We need just the leaf part, not the stem one. So we separated it from the stem. And red chili. So in another vessel, add some oil, then some mustard seeds, cumin seeds. And add that sliced onions, garlic and the red chili and just stir it well and let it cook for 5 minutes. So you can see here the color turned into golden color. So this is the perfect one. So now we are going to add this with the sambar. And that's all. Stir it well. So you can see here our delicious sambar is ready.